Hello guys, so we are done with the cooking. How do you rate my beans? Even Jasmine is eating it. Hope it looks nice.
You've almost finished the beans.
So do you remember when we said at the start we weren't going to like your beans? Sorry for saying that because your beans is the best ever. So nice.
What do you have to say? Eleanora.
They were insulting you when you were
I
making.
was ridiculing me more.
I know Eleanora now.
Did you taste the beans?
Eleanora, what do you have to say?
Guys. Are you saying anything? You are ashamed now. Okay, good for you. You will learn a lesson. I was cooking this beans. They kept shouting, Daddy, this beans will not be sweet. I said, calm down. We are the beans people. We cook beans in hostel, university hostel that time. Now we just survive. What did they tell me? Because I don't have time to cook again. You think I don't know how to cook? Calm me down. I will be releasing little things for you for every time.
Just this one busy cook. We not hear what they
Don't worry.
get. One in how many ages? Okay, now.
Okra soup.
Okay,
I will
now.
cook ogbono.
Daddy, just don't try it. Okay.
And
Don't
if I
try
could
it.
do this one, I can do that one too now.
Oh, no.
I did it, and if I could do this one, I can do that one.
You can't. You have to practice. Listen to
I'm practicing. I'm perfect already. Yeah, thanks, guys.
I gotta enjoy your food, girls.
Yeah. Go on, eat.